Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and powering the pen. Once done, insert or charge the battery, press the top button to enter pairing, and open Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices. Select Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and pick the Microsoft pen from the list. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on the laptop and that no other device is actively paired to the pen. This first sequence gets the pen connected so you can move straight into configuring behavior and app integration. Next, configure how the pen behaves and feels. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, then Pen to assign top and side button actions, launch apps, or trigger screenshots. Adjust pressure sensitivity and tip feel inside Windows Ink or your drawing app so strokes match your hand. Install the Surface or Manufacturer app and check Windows Update for firmware updates. These often fix latency and gesture issues. Once configured, try different tip pressures and button combos to match your workflow. Finally, validate the pen across apps. Draw in OneNote, Sketch in Paint, and test pressure and tilt in your art software to ensure consistent response. Make adjustments to palm rejection and map shortcut buttons to frequently used commands, then save your preferred profile if the app supports it. If the pen misbehaves, key troubleshooting is to repair the device and swap the battery or recharge. Additionally, run Windows Bluetooth troubleshooting and check for firmware updates to resolve most connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.